How to use Google Assistant without touching your phone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Google Assistant without touching your phone. Start by opening Google Chrome on your mobile device. Next, tap the profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings. Then tap on Google Assistant and go to Hey Google and Voice Match. Here, turn on the toggle for while driving to enable hands-free assistance while on the road. After that, turn on the toggle for Hey Google to activate voice commands. Tap on I agree to confirm and follow the setup by saying something like Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Repeat the phrases as prompted and tap Next to proceed. When the setup is complete, tap Not Now to finish. Now return to your home screen and try asking Google Assistant anything using just your voice. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.